How to receive money on Wise account full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can receive money on Wise account. So for that you have to log into your Wise account through the website or mobile app, and after that you have to navigate to the currency balance you want to receive money into. You may need to create an account for the specific currency first, and after that you have to share the details like select get accounts details or a similar options. You will then be provided with the necessary information, which may include your name as it appears on your Wise account, and the relevant account number and short code for GBP or SWIFT or BIC, and IBAN for Euro, or routing number and account number for USD or other currency specific details. And after that you can provide details to the sender. Share these details with the person or business sending your money, and the sender will use these details to initiate this transfer through their Wise account or via a bank transfer. And once the transfer is processed, the fund will be credited to your Wise account, and then you can receive your money. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.